This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Andrew McGranagan. Beautiful condo in the heart of Farragut in the gated and highly sought after Waverly Court subdivision. You'll fall in love with the soaring ceilings, open and spacious floor plan, private back patio, and covered front porch. The master suite is complete with vaulted ceilings, luxurious bathroom and massive closet. The kitchen is open to the living and dining areas, and features granite tops and high-end cabinetry. You'll appreciate the attention to detail throughout the home the moment you step in. See what makes this home so special, all while located in the heart of Farragut in a gated community and situated on a large corner lot. Amenities include tennis, a clubhouse and swimming pool. Make this one your own today. For more information, review the details below or contact Andrew McGranagan at 865-584-4000.